This is a set of VDE screwdrivers made by Milwaukee for electricians and other professionals. The set comes in a convenient carrying case. Transparent top helps to spot any missing tools. Comfortable Tri-Lobe handle increases comfort and allows for high torque. Slim shank diameter makes it easier for access to low-lying screw applications. Marking on a handle allows for quick tool identification. The lanyard hole allows for easy attachment to a safety system. Anti-roll 3-sided collar on the handle prevents rolling on your worktop. The set consists of following screwdriver types: 2 Phillips, 2 positive, 4 slotted, 3 Torx, and 1 voltage tester. All screwdrivers were tested under 10,000 volts and are approved for work up to 1000 volts AC. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.